Hippo Education's Mental Health Bootcamp gives you the knowledge and confidence to treat both pediatric and adult mental and behavioral health issues in your practice.
We created this course to support clinicians who are seeing an increase in mental health care needs due to a shortage of mental health clinician availability, insurance coverage issues, and more.
Our online video course is designed and delivered by experienced primary care and mental health clinicians, including psychologists and psychiatrists. We focus on both diagnosis and treatment of mental health conditions in the primary care setting, as well as when to escalate care or involve a specialist.
In over 50 short videos and 15+ hours of content, Mental Health Bootcamp delivers the nuts and bolts of evaluating and treating the most common disorders and deep dives into the majority of psychiatric diagnoses you'll encounter in clinic.
We invite you to absorb this critical knowledge within one complete resource through our engaging, conversational format that Hippo users have come to love. Videos have accompanying downloadable written materials for you to print out and reference during your clinic day.
Plus, this course will provide AMA PRA Category 1 CME credit. We've created a 50-question assessment that can be taken as a pre-test to establish a baseline or as a post-test to assess retention.
Our team will handle all of your group's initial setup. Managers can track progress, assess new hires, and manage their group from our centralized dashboard.
Get Mental Health Bootcamp today.